Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa J9 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought back to us because it was still having some issues. The machine, whenever it was grinding, it will reroute a lot of water flow coming out through the cappuccino spots when you were using the espresso side, and when you were using the cappuccino side, a lot of us coming out from the espresso. So yeah, we had to replace the squeal valve. This pad that you see right here, this goes located like this on this position, takes care of sending the water coming out from the brew unit going into the spouts or going into the cappuccino. So yeah, this one was leaking and it was causing the water to come out through here or through here whenever you were using this one or this one. So that's what we did. We replaced that one over here. This little bar over here. Last time this machine was brought to us, we serviced every unit because it was unfortunately serviced wrong. We put it back together, replaced some of the gaskets, lubricated, and put it back. And that's what we did on this espresso machine. Last time it was here. Now this time we just replaced this bar. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out. Then we're gonna be using the cappuccino side, and then we're gonna be able to see this bar in action as well. Now this hose takes care of delivering coffee to the cappuccino side, so we will not be able, we'll see any kind of water coming out through there. As you can see, we have a nice steady flow coming out of the spouts, looking really great. No coffee coming out through this cappuccino side. No coffee coming out through there either. On the valve, looking great. And now we can do that cappuccino. We do not have the hose of this machine, so we will not be able to froth milk, but we're still going to be able to see the steam coming out through this spout. As you can see, this unfortunately does not nothing because we do not have the little adapter, but we're still seeing nice steam coming out of the one. That's what you want to see. Now that is the valve that is going to get used. As the coffee from the cappuccino comes out, we're going to see it flowing out through there. There you have it. Coffee is now flowing through that little hose right here, and it's going into the cappuccino spout. It is not going to the espresso side, and it's not leaking or anything. Just doing great. You can see over here the ceramic valve not leaking, the water pump over here not leaking as well, thermoblock not leaking, nothing on this side leaking, nothing on this side leaking as well from the squeeze valve, not leaking from the spouts or anything. Water tank sensor definitely works. As the machine just asks us for more water. And the bean sensor as well definitely works because the bean sensor is asking us for more beans. Box looking excellent right there. Working perfectly fine. Working. So there you have it. Jura Impressa J9 ready to brew and ready to go. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.